Soldering wire to a track. First thing we want to do is clean the back of the track so it's shiny. That'll let the solder stick easier. Take a sharp knife and a couple quick scrapes, and it'll become a lot shinier. Now we want to put a little bit of solder on the contacts we just cleaned. After we've added a little bit of solder, we've got to get our wires ready. Strip the ends. Next, we want to tin the wire with solder. Helps to have something to hold the wire in place. Now, solder the wire to the track. Just like that, repeat for the next lane.
No, it's too easy.